The United States paints a grim picture of the situation in Mexico, where government efforts to fight drug traffickers are hampered by rampant corruption. Mexico is the major transit point for many drugs entering the United States. Thousands of people have been killed in drug battles between drug traffickers and authorities working for the government of Mexican President Felipe Calderon. David Johnson is the top U.S. State Department official for international narcotics and law enforcement.
What you see is a government, a courageous government led by President Calderon that is confronting these drug cartels and limiting their ability to do their business. They are confronting each other, and the result is, unfortunately, a significant level of violence.
Colombia's government continues to crack down on the drug trade, the report says. But despite those efforts, up to 90% of the cocaine that enters the U.S. comes from Colombia. The report blames the Bolivian and Venezuelan governments for hampering U.S. efforts to combat trafficking in the region. It notes that drug trafficking in Venezuela increased 5 times since 2002, and that the country is a major drug trafficking route to the United States and Europe.
The real challenge that we face in Venezuela is the use of the territory of Venezuela, particularly along the coastal region in the west, adjacent to Colombia, where significant quantities of cocaine are shipped out through the Caribbean in the direction of the United States.
There's been a slight decrease in the number of poppies grown in Afghanistan, according to the report. But it says Afghanistan remains the largest producer of poppies used to produce heroin, and the drug trade is a major threat to security and economic development there.
We need a more aggressive effort by the Afghans themselves to deal with one of the major factors that fuels the corruption, and that's the growth of opium poppy and the refinement of it and marketing it into heroin.
Burma was also singled out for failing to combat drug trafficking. That country remains the largest source of methamphetamine pills in Asia. Deborah Block, VOA News, Washington.